In this episode, we're going to learn all about voting. What do all these pictures have in common? Well, they're all about voting, of course. Voting is all about making decisions. For example, you could vote for what class pet you should have. When you vote, you get to share your opinion or your personal feeling about something, about who you think would be a good leader. But what makes a good leader? A good leader is someone who works well with others and is encouraging or helpful. There are many leaders in our country. There are local leaders, such as mayors, and board members who make decisions. There are state leaders, such as governors and representatives, who makes laws for the state. There are even federal leaders, such as the president and Congress, who make laws for our country. But how do we learn about the candidates who are running for office? We can learn about these candidates by looking at their websites, their ads on TV, or even going to a meeting where they're talking. After people look at the candidates, they vote for who they think is the best candidate for the job. Voting is important because it lets you share your opinion. It's every citizen's right and responsibility to vote. I hope you like this lesson on voting. Don't forget to check out my channel for more lessons. Don't forget to like and subscribe to learn more.